Hello, if something happened once, you may be lucky. If it happened twice, it may be a coincidence. When something happened 3 times over the span of 4 days, we may have to talk about this. In the next 10 to 15 minutes, we are going to address not the 10 baggers, but the 20s and 30 baggers that we have recorded since last Friday in this daily markets recap for Wednesday, December the 16th, 2020. Without any further ado, let us go ahead and dive in. Wow. Okay, so the buzz it's going around, at least in our Discord. I can share this is live here, literally, folks. As this is happening as of now. So what do we want to talk about in the stock market technical analysis daily for today? Well, if you have not been with us over here over the last 4 days or over the last let's say since May, you have been missing out. Yeah, but I mean the good thing is that you are not going to be missing out anymore, right? Well, 2021 is coming. We're gonna make every effort to get you involved into which that we are doing, which is get your hand into trading options and these 10 baggers. Or we don't trade for 10 baggers. The 10 baggers, they find us. So let me show you exhibit number 1, 2, 3 in a matter of over the last 4 days. So where do we go? We go to 10 baggers on here. So this is a trade this is Qualcomm that we traded last Friday. Yeah, we took the trade actually at the close of the business on Thursday, the 10. Was it the 10? Yep, that was a Thursday on the 10. Let me show you how we do that. Inside of our daily updates, we just went in and where was the trade? Here we go. 1210 Lotto. So the 152.5 put the stock went to $144, folks. Yes, so this trade went from 30 cents. We are showing you an exhibit here of one of the traders from 28 cents to $3 something. They went actually higher than that. So that was this one was a 30 bagger, kid you not, easily. So if that wasn't enough, this past Tuesday, which was yesterday, where can we go find that? So yesterday, Apple was the apple of our eye. That's cheesy. Telex. Apple was the apple of our eye. Come on now. Apple did great. At this time, it was 1400% overnight, but here it is, 2,133. We can show you the chart of what's actually how Apple traded yesterday. Let's go here on Trading View as we usually do. It gapped up, and that big candle that's the daily. So could we go to the 15 minutes? So this was the gap, and then it just kept on going. And they were not expensive at all, folks. They were not expensive. Actually, at the close on Monday, they were 6 cents. That's why you see 2,000%. You could have gotten them as early in the morning as 16 cents. And by the way, we highlighted this in our pre-market show that we have every morning at 8:40, 8:45, 8:50-ish Eastern time. Yeah, I have to say that because if you show up at 8:40 and I'm not right there, it could be, oh, no. I typically show within that window of 10 minutes. And for 30 minutes, we take a look at the stock market technical analysis for that day, and then we take the trade, mainly Gangster trade. If you don't know what a Gangster trade is, that's your invitation pretty much to join this channel, this YouTube channel. First of all, attend the pre-market analysis and get a feel of whether or not this is something going to be for you. And then from there, you can subscribe to our subscription trade alerts. I'm showing you, oh, geez, yeah. These are our alerts, folks. These are the alerts that we don't trade all of them. Absolutely, there's a method to the madness, but one of them this week did this 2,000% to 2,100%. If that wasn't enough, that was yesterday. Yeah, so things go so fast. That's what I was saying. Not once, not twice, but 3 times over the last 4 days. And obviously, you can go back in this very channel, look at the performance of our subscription trade alert system. How many 10 baggers have we gotten? Even 50 baggers. Yes, The videos are in here. I will make sure to link them here. But lo and behold, if that wasn't enough, we woke up this morning and I didn't even know, to be honest with you. I didn't look at after hours yesterday or anything. I just saw IQ was down 10%. What will you know? is one of our alerts. And this is what happened. So this is at the time that I posted it. So maybe let me show you the most recent one. Do we have the most recent one at the close? 3,100%. But is it right over the close? I think it closed like, these are the 20 puts. Yeah, they closed at like 3,700%. That at least they picked up. But you will think that the contract will be worth like $1,000. No. The contract worth $1.62 to get that 31 bagger. Kid you not. So, and again, that's another one. That's because for us, we had a unique strategy called a gangster trade when the stock is gapping in either direction. Yeah. So Qualcomm was on the put side Friday. Apple yesterday was on the call side. Today, just IQ was on the put side. So we trade it confidently, and that's what's it's creating the buzz, at least in our Discord room. We want that buzz, folks, to be for you to be involved into that. So it's created so much buzz. One of our traders, don't mind his name. He's so he went in and said, "Oh, he bringing in the cavalry because more people want to trade this system." So what are you doing about it? What are you going to be saying? Let's say how many days? 16 days from now, January 2nd. Yeah. The market is closed on January 1st. So just for good measure. Yeah? So January 2nd is actually a Saturday, but January 4th, what would you want to be? Wouldn't you want right now to get involved with a proven system that generates this type of profit so that you can learn it? Oh, by the way, yeah, we teach it to you because that's how much value we think that it will bring you. Instead of just giving you a lot to trade, no, we want you to understand how to trade it yourself such that you can take advantage of it in the years to come without ever needing us. Yeah, we don't want people to be subscribers for life on here. So we will teach you. Let me go show you, for instance, how you will have taken advantage of this. So the stock gap down 10%, instead of reacting and saying, oh man, I missed out on the trade. No, for us, we said, hey, the 19 puts, that's what we describe in our pre-markets. And let me show you here. Let's go to IQ. Here's our trading. Here's my trading platform. I mean, you can see which route. Oh, here we go. So I didn't lie to you. 3,754% on the IQ 20. Yeah, the low of the day. Oh, the low of the day here was 20 cents. So straight up 10 bagger. Even if you took the 20 puts from the get-go. So first, trading the 19 puts. Let me show you the chart of those options. Yes, we track the chart of the option. If you have never done that before, it's a thing of beauty. So where's 9:30 Eastern here? Today was the 16th. So I am on a 15-minute interval for here. How do I know that this is it here? So 32 cents. You could have gotten in if you were patient. Yeah, what 32 cents, 40 cents, and for $1.20. So that's not bad. That's a couple hundred of percent on something that now deep in the money. So you could have been looking at that way. Or if you were part of a subscription trade alert, you will have had a shot to get 3,000%. Okay, folks, I think. Then sorry about that. Instead of me concluding here, what do we have in store for you? Because hey, now, my friend, after this, let's say Qualcomm over 3,000%. This one today, 3,700%. Apple yesterday, 2,000%. We need to get you something for the rest to close the week in style, right? So what are we looking for tomorrow? So tomorrow, and Friday, who are we looking for? Actually, we have this. Let's try this stock that we have had. I've been monitoring. It did pay last Friday, but for us, we are going for the jugular here. Let's say this setup on here on this guy will JD will translate into a winning trade. Here's how the daily chart looks like. It has been bearish all along. They teased out last Friday, but we made money out of this candle. Yeah, those retreated. and now a couple of days take another step back. It's pretty much at support, right? So this has been an area of support. All we need to do is a couple of dollars move tomorrow, my friend, or Friday, tomorrow and Friday, and to be able to see what happened. Or if not, that's one. Well, what's going to be happening? Do you think that what's going to happen to IQ after doing this? What do we know of stock that do this? Hello. So I'm not saying that's going to be happen, but when a stock starts with a trend like this one is such a momentum, watch out, right? So that's a possibility. If that one's not the case, well, Qualcomm, it's promising. So we had that set up. If that none of these goes, my friend, guess what? In pre-market, we are going to find a stock that's gapping and we will confidently trade it. We love trading that. And then Friday, we invite you to be with us because Friday, we are going to be trading after earnings, folks. After earnings for FedEx. Yeah? This is the setup as of now. They're going to release their earnings tomorrow after the market close. And then Friday morning in pre-market, we will be doing this. You care to find out why? How? Why we do it? Please hit the subscribe button and we will see you in our pre-market show tomorrow morning on Thursday and Friday morning. Until then, have a great evening, a great afternoon, a great morning, wherever you're watching from. Bye-bye.